Given the following equation, where t is any number and d is a single digit from 0 to 9, can you find the values for t and d? No calculator allowed. Pause the video to see how quickly you can get this question correct. So, how are we going to attack this little problem? We'll start by squaring the left side. Since we have a factor of 9 on the left side, the 6-digit number on the right must be divisible by 9. Recall that a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 9. If we add up the digits in our 6-digit number, we get the following, which simplifies to 19 plus d. D must equal 8 in order to make the digit sum a multiple of 9, which in this case is 19 plus 8, or 27. We're making progress. We now know that d is 8. Now, we just need to get t. Notice that 492,804 must be a perfect square. Nobody would be expected to know the square root of that number off the top of their head, but we can get it with a nifty trick. It's just equal to 490,000 plus 2804, which is the same as 700 squared plus 2804. Now a good guess for our perfect square would be 702. The final digit of 702 is a 2, which, when squared, will give us a final digit of 4. Also, because 2804 is so small relative to 490,000, 702 is a very reasonable guess. 712, 722, and so on would be too far off. Let's check to see if our guess is correct. We'll rewrite 702 as 700 plus 2 and pretend we're squaring a binomial. When we square it, we get the square of the first number, which is 700 squared, plus double the product of the two numbers, which is 2 times 700, plus the square of the second number, which is just 2 squared. And that looks good, so our guess is correct. And that means 492,804 is equal to 702 squared. We're back to our original problem. But now we can replace 492,804 with 702 squared. Now let's take the square root of both sides, which leaves us with this simple equation. Let's distribute the 3, and now let's subtract 690 from both sides. Next we'll divide both sides by 3, from which we get this expression, and that simplifies to 12 over 3, which of course is 4. And we're done. T is equal to 4, and D is equal to 8. Let me know in the comments if you solved this problem using a different method, and if you were able to do it in under 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Also, I'd love to get your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!